Hey guys, Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. I have this Sun Meadow survival food kit. I don't think you can buy it in stores normally. This is a FEMA disaster relief food kit, and we got it at a surplus sale on a discount. So I want to show you what's inside. Well, I opened it up while my stove was heating up. I thought it was really cool. I can't bend my knee, so this is awkward. Alright, this is a complete, everything you need for one person for an entire day. It is so cool. So I'm going to open up this here so I can lay it out here as I empty it all. A picnic set. So what we got here, there's breakfast, lunch, and dinner plus snacks. So your breakfast is a box of Cheerios and some heat-treated milk. You've got, along with that, there's a pastry for breakfast, and then there's a fruit cup for your breakfast. Okay. For lunch, you've got a can of raviolis, and you've got some cookies, and there's 5 cracker packs. All right, and then there's a pudding cup and another fruit cup, and there's some hot sauce, and there's 3 sets of silverware as needed, and then there's snacks for your afternoon snacks and peanuts, and there's some more packs of cookies, and there's there's another pastry, so you have 2 pastries with your breakfast, I think. There's some hand wipes, and then for dinner there's another can of raviolis, another fruit cup, and another pudding cup, and then another pack of peanuts, and there's some sunflower seeds, and then some more crackers. I mean, this is just amazing. All this food we got at a surplus sale for $2 a box. So we bought a mess of these because of how we travel, how much we travel, and how much we go on outings and survival trips. Look at all that you get for $2. So these are basically the FEMA disaster relief kits that they distribute. And we got them now for survival and camping. We brought them out here. We're out in the woods by a lake and having a good day fishing and cooking our own meal. And just wanted to share that with you. Our little disaster emergency kit. Again, I don't think you can buy them in stores. I tried to look them up online and I couldn't find any source to actually buy it. But really cool to have. I'm very pleased we were able to get these from a surplus sale, because they're nearing end of life this summer. But that's fine for us. Look at all that food. So anyway, pretty cool find there. We've got 50 of these boxes that we bought, and there's still more left. We might get some more next time. Alright guys, just wanted to share a really cool find with you, survival find. Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Talk to you all later.